Alright, guys. Got an NS.
Got northbound coming.
We got Northbound NS. Actually, no, I think it's NS.
It is Norfolk Southern Max.
Oh, we got a meet? Oh.
I don't know. What makes you think that?
Sorry, I kind of thought. Oh, never mind. Just had my lunch. Wow. Look at those BNSF cars.
Yeah.
You know, Elliot, I like Despicable Me.
So do I.
That's a great show.
It's a movie, Max.
I understand, yeah, I know. I like them all. You know, I think maybe you should take a trip out to Maryland sometime.
We're in Maryland.
Maybe Harper's Ferry? Well, actually, no, that's in West Virginia.
That's in West Virginia.
I mean, would you perhaps maybe like to visit Gaithersburg?
Cumberland will do.
What? Cumberland?
Yeah.
I've been there.
Ben?
Yes.
That's in the mountains.
Yeah, it's in the mountains. Appalachian Mountains.
How about Baltimore?
Baltimore?
Is that safe or no?
Baltimore, I think it's okay. It's a little northeast of DC area. It's like 60 miles, I think.
Yeah, once the Baltimore tunnel project is done, trains will be flying through there.
Have you heard of Maryland Area Regional Commuter Service?
It's on the passenger trains?
Yeah, those are commuter trains.
Yeah, I've heard of that.
It's abbreviated as MARC.
Yeah.
It's abbreviated as MARC, and it's really,
Maryland.
Yep, that's right. I definitely like their locomotives.
Rockville, Maryland has some good spots.
What? Rockville?
Rockville, Maryland.
Yeah. There we go. Stay tuned for more videos.